Now that we're using LebApps instead of First Class, there are changes to how you will create and post your newsletter to the web. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to take advantage of the tools in Google Docs to make a document public and post it on the web easily. It's highly beneficial to get out of the habit of using Word and intending to copy and paste that into your web page. It's much better if you create a newsletter in Google Docs, make it public, publish it to the web, and embed it or link it or both from your web page. Let's get started. This teacher has a newsletter that she's created in her Google Docs, which is embedded in her web page. So she's actually embedded the document so it'll appear on the web page. She has a link to the printable newsletter, so the same newsletter, if you click here, it will link to a page that can be printed. So if someone were to want to have a hard copy of that newsletter, they can click on the link and go ahead and print that newsletter. This teacher's allowed us to create a template of what she uses. So if you log into your your LebApps account and you go to Documents, if you choose not to use this newsletter template, you can create your own newsletter and follow the same sharing instructions and embed it into your web page. In this example, we'll show you how to take advantage of a template that's already built for you. When you go to Google Docs, click on Browse Template Gallery. And if you scroll down, you'll find the class newsletter template. So click on Use this template. Automatically that template will be placed in your Google Docs. So we're going to start with changing the name of the template. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to change it to Mrs. Samples August 31 News. So you give it a name and you click OK. So now that newsletter is yours, it's your copy, it's your edits. Let's say that you've completed editing. If you need help knowing how to edit and create things in Google Docs, you can refer to other tutorials on that. In this instance, this newsletter is ready to be posted to your web page. So what you need to do first is click on Share and choose Share. By default, it's private, only to you, so you click on Change and make it public on the web. Click Save. Click Done. Now you need to publish it to the web, so you click on Share and choose Publish to the web. Click Start Publishing and choose OK. You get links. One is the embed code and one is the document link. I'm going to show you how you can embed the newsletter in your page and also hyperlink to a printable format. Let's start by just choosing Link. So Document Link, click here and right click and choose Copy or Control-C for Copy, and then go to your website. Click Close and then click on Sites to find your website. Now that I'm on my website, I'm going to click on my newsletter page, and I first am going to choose Edit Page. Remember, we're just adding a hyperlink, so I'm going to add August 31 News, 31 Newsletter Printable. And I want to link to it, so I'm going to highlight it and go up here to Link, choose Web Address, Control V or paste it in, and click OK. Then I'm going to save, and if I click on this link, it'll take me to a printable format or a web view of my newsletter. To insert, you click on Edit Page, and if I want to put my document right below there, I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to choose Document. I'm going to look in my documents for that newsletter and click Select and click Save. And now I need to save my web page to view it. And as shown in the example at the beginning of this webcast, there's the newsletter and there's the printable format. Any changes I make in Google Docs will automatically appear on the web.